Step 2. Grounding. At a fundamental level, meditation is a kind of homecoming, a coming back to yourself and the here and now. The first, most fundamental place for you to come back to is to the ground beneath your feet, because it provides an anchor to the tangible, physical world. We all know what is meant by having both feet on the ground. The technique of grounding will help bring you back down to earth and back to you. Your body is an exquisitely designed biofeedback organism whose primary function is for you to thrive and survive. It is made up of a complex communication network of neural pathways, cellular memory, and chemical release, which carries information around the body, linking all its systems. Emotions, feelings, sensations, and intuitions are ways your body has of letting you know about your needs, well-being, and general health. Perhaps like many of us, you have learned to live mainly in your head through upbringing or circumstance, and spend more time thinking life rather than actually living it. Or it may be the case that the effects of trauma, chronic stress, or unresolved emotional pain have made you feel disconnected from your body. In order to be fully in touch with yourself and your needs, it's necessary to be in touch with your physical body as much as your cognitive mind. This enables you to look after yourself better, which in turn has a positive impact on your health and well-being. Grounding is the first step to a more integrated relationship between your body and mind, and with yourself as a whole. Meditation on grounding. Sit comfortably upright with your body supported, both feet flat on the ground, and close your eyes. As you do so, allow them to soften and rest in your head. Allow your mind to soften and rest. And come down into your body. Sense down, becoming aware of the contact your body is making with the surface beneath it. Feel the weight of your body resting here. Allow your body to soften into this support. In your own time, become aware of the contact your feet are making with the surface beneath them. Feel the solid foundation of the ground under the soles of your feet. And surrender more of your body's weight directly to the ground. Breathe out down to the ground. Breathe up from the ground. And allow yourself to sense down and connect with the ground. Let your body tune in with the slow, steady stuff of earth. Allow the depth of the planet to support you. Notice what happens when you ground yourself. Day-to-day awareness practice. Walk or stand barefoot every day for some time. As you do so, feel down into the contact your feet are making with the ground. Become aware of the quality of the sensation in the soles of your feet as they connect with the ground. Do some simple walking meditations, just focusing your attention on your feet and the connection they are making with the ground. Become aware of the quality of the sensations you feel in your heel, the ball of your foot, and your toes. Slowly and consciously begin each step by placing the heel of your foot down on the ground first, then the ball of your foot coming off last with your toes. Heel, ball, toe in an easy rolling motion. Rest your attention on one step at a time, staying in the present rather than projecting your mind on getting somewhere. Each morning do a short standing meditation. Stand with both feet hip-width apart. Close your eyes. Soften your knees. And let your arms and shoulders hang loose. Feel the weight of your body being met by the ground. Sense down to the ground beneath you. Say the words, I am here. Notice what happens. Sit or stand with your back against a tree and connect with the ground and the tree. Become aware of the quality of the sensation between you and the tree and you and the ground. Notice what happens. Lie flat on the ground. Feel the earth's surface supporting you. Imagine you are drawing your breath up from the ground and breathing back down into the ground. Do you feel closer to the ground on your in-breath or your out-breath? Notice what happens. Every day, massage your own feet slowly and with awareness, or have someone massage them for you. Notice what takes you away from feeling grounded. Notice what grounds you. Make a connection with the ground again and again throughout your day. Become familiar with what the support of ground feels like.